and welcome to another video. So today I have a Wismat tempered glass screen protector that I purchased off of Amazon. Normally it goes for 20 bucks, but just bought this iPhone 13 Pro Max and it was on sale for 4 bucks. So with Prime shipping, so I thought it was worth a try. So let's open it up. Comes with 3 front screen protectors and 2 camera protectors for the back. Very professional packing. I'm impressed for 4 bucks. This is the case I have on. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Comes with this kit. I think it has those stickers to get the dust off the phone and all that stuff. I haven't actually wiped the phone yet, so it comes with this little microfiber cloth, wet wipes, a squeegee. Comes with a squeegee too. Oh, that's awesome. All right, well, put these to the side for now. All right. This is a camera protector. There's 2 of these in here. And this is the screen protector. Let's see. Yes, as expected, there are 3 of them in here. Okay, there we go. And there's this little sleeve in here. Okay, yeah, this is going to help us line up the screen protector. I actually didn't expect this to be included because it did not show this. And it actually says on here, top, and then, let's see, yep, it fits on there perfectly. Okay, so this is going to help us align this. I'm going to take this off for now while I clean it. Step, excuse me, step 1, we'll wipe with the wet one. I'm going to clean all over. And even the camera cut out because we're going to put a screen protector on the camera bump out too. Okay. Step 2, dry wipe. I don't know why this thing is so hard to open, but there you go. Okay, I'm going to wipe with the microfiber cloth. Make sure all the debris is off of this thing. Okay, maybe the microfiber is not the best quality because I feel like it's leaving debris behind actually, or introducing debris to where there was none to begin with. I'm going to put this to the side for now. Okay, so use this dust absorber sticker thingy, and just gonna go over everywhere. I see a little bit of fingerprint here, so I'm gonna rip that off. Okay, I don't see any dust anywhere. I'm gonna stick that back on here. Oop. I'm waiting for the screen to turn off. Probably should have just turned off the phone. Okay. Don't see any more dust. I'm gonna take a screen protector out. And so there's just the one on the back. I'll pull that off. Okay, interestingly, it's big enough to go edge to edge along with the guide. So you actually don't try to line it up manually. You actually just go ahead and go all the way to the edge of the guide and just drop it in. Wow. I thought it was going to be smaller than the guide and I'm going to have to line it up, but actually it's perfect. It's edge to edge with the guide, so you have no guesswork. This is perfect. I did not think it'd be this good of a quality because it's $4, but it's perfect. Take the guide off here. Use the squeegee they've given us. Where did I put that? Here we go. I mean, you don't have to use the squeegee. The squeegee, I guess, keeps you from scratching up the screen protector, but it's a screen protector. You don't really care about that. Okay. So there was no guesswork involved. Actually, excuse me. No guesswork involved whatsoever. It literally just lines perfectly up with the guide. Don't think I have any bubbles in here. Like I said, the microfiber cloth is like the lowest quality one I've seen because it's like introducing a little dust to it. There you go, perfectly installed. No bubbles whatsoever. Used the guide, used all the wipes included. The touchscreen works perfectly. Okay, I'll get the back now. Actually, going to use the same dust absorber here. And just going to closely look at it, make sure there's no dust on the lenses. Oh. Don't see any specks on there. All right, I see some specks on the sides and the edges, which once you install you won't see, but I'm just being perfect about it, trying to get everything. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is fairly easy. When I installed it on my Mini, this is like the easier one to install. So there's no guides or anything needed because the lenses literally drop into the holes. And there you go, that's it. I don't see any specks or anything like that in there. Looks perfect. Same thing in the front. Looks perfect. That was it. Took me about, what, 5 to 10 minutes to install this? 10 minutes. $4. Comes with a guide and everything you need. Comes with 3 front screen protectors, 2 of these back ones. This is a great experience. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.